Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do a group activity. But before that, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever bought something special for your birthday? Very nice. Wondering why I asked that? Today, we are going to do a group reading activity. Today's story is about a girl who wants to buy a dress for her birthday. Before we read, let's look at some important words. First is birthday. Can you repeat after me? Birthday. Birthday is the day you were born, which you celebrate every year. We all love birthdays, don't we? Next, expensive. Again, expensive. Expensive is something that costs a lot of money. What's the word that describes something that costs a lot of money? That's right, expensive. Can you give me an example of expensive things? House. That's right. What else? Cell phones, laptops, cars. Very good. Our next word is sale. Sale. Sale is a time when things are sold at lower prices. One good example of this is the Black Friday sale. When you see items at a discounted price like 50% off, buy one, take one, those are sales. Can you say it with me? Sale. Great. Now our next one is afford. Again, afford. When you say that you afford something, it means that you have enough money to buy something. What do we usually do so that we can afford to buy something? We save up. That's right. What else? Yes, we work. We work to earn money and afford to buy the things we want to buy. Can you say it with me? Afford. Now, our next word is excited. Again, excited. So excited means feeling very happy and eager. What makes you guys excited? Your birthdays? Yes. Meeting friends? That's right. Traveling? Playing games? Those are great examples. Going to our last word, disappointed. Say it with me. Disappointed. Being disappointed means feeling sad because something did not happen. For example, I get disappointed when my students don't understand our lessons. What else? I get disappointed when my students disrespect me. That is what disappointed means. Can you say it with me? Disappointed. Great. Now you are ready to read. You can encounter the words that we reviewed in the story that we are going to read today. Now listen carefully to the instructions of our activity. First, we will divide the class into groups. Each group will have 5 members. Now we'll count 1 to 5 to determine your group numbers. Great. Now that you're with your group, each member will get one part of the story that we're going to read today. Remember, your part is different from your group members. Don't compare. Your part's first with your other members. Read your part silently. Try to understand the main idea. Feel free to underline important words to help you remember what your part is all about. Please wait while I distribute your parts. You will have 10 minutes to read your parts and understand it. Time's up. Please return your paper to me. Now, the next part of our activity is to discuss your group mates. You will explain your part to your group, use your words. It doesn't have to be exactly how it is written in the paper. What's important is that you are able to pass the main idea of the parts of your story to your group members. The goal is, as a group, you will work together to put the story in the correct order. Talk to each other and decide which part is first, which part is next. After that, your group will present the full story to the class. It's your decision as a group how you will tell the story to the class. You can have one group member retell the complete story. You can act it out as a group if you want. You can have each member retell their parts one by one. It's entirely up to your group. Understood? Do you have any questions? Clarifications? None? Okay. You will have 30 minutes to arrange your story and plan your presentations. You can start now. All right, time is up. Let's hear from each group. Great work, everyone. Now I need 5 volunteers to read the 5 parts of the story to the whole class. Now that you've read the complete story, who do you think among the groups were able to correctly retell the story? Was it easy or difficult to arrange the story? What helped you understand the story? This is the end of our activity. Very good work today, everyone. Today you practiced reading, speaking, and working as a team. Did you like the activity? Great. Thank you all for participating. I'll distribute copies of the short story we read today together with a vocabulary list that you may want to review. Thanks again, and I'll see you in our next class.